Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. What an amazing, awesome, just incredible day that you're going to have today because you are born for greatness. You are achieving greatness. Greatness is what is in store for your life if it isn't there already. And so we've been talking about knowing and that evolution between knowing how to do something and then actually getting it done and doing. And just talking about different aspects of it. You know, yesterday I talked about, the person at the insurance company that just drove me nuts. And I know how to treat people, but sometimes it just makes it so hard. Today, one of the things that, have you ever spent time with somebody who doesn't understand technology or doesn't understand how to get something done? Because I'm there a whole lot of the times. But the phone, like the phone that you're using, just being able to do simple stuff that's intuitive. But what I found out is knowing and your experience and lifetimes on a device create the intuitiveness, right? Something isn't intuitive if you haven't spent time playing with it, doing it, swiping it, swiping backwards and forward. I watched my 2-year-old granddaughter, and she knows how to hit the skip button. She knows how to swipe up, swipe down, push buttons on an iPad. And then I go to somebody who's in their 70s or their 80s, and they're scared of that technology and being able to know how to do it. And so one of the things, there are classes, but the problem with an online class, right, is there's not hands-on. They can say do something, and sometimes if you've ever written or seen instructions, that somebody, whoever developed it, decided that this made sense somehow. And so, just as you're thinking, what are some of the things that you can do that would serve others that wouldn't take all your time to teach them how to do? And I'm encouraging you to make a YouTube video on how to do that. Spend some time teaching somebody how to do something you do, and then ask somebody else to put it together and see how well your communication is. All right, so you guys have an awesome, wonderful day. Don't forget that you are God's greatest gift. He loves you if you allow him to. And we, my friend, will talk to you tomorrow.